Hi there! Are you curious about why everyone seems to be raving about intermittent fasting? Don't worry, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to break it all down for you. We'll explore 3 key topics. Number 1, the science behind intermittent fasting. Number 2, the most popular fasting schedules. And number 3, the amazing benefits you can expect. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with number 1, the science behind intermittent fasting. Intermittent fasting isn't some new fad. It's an eating pattern where you cycle between periods of eating and fasting, just like our ancestors did before 24/7 food access was a thing. Here's what happens in your body. When you fast, your body uses up its glucose stores first. Once that's gone, it switches to burning fat for energy. This process is called ketosis. It's like your body's backup power system, and it's super efficient at burning fat. And get this, fasting helps improve your insulin sensitivity. Insulin acts like a key, unlocking cells so they can absorb glucose from your bloodstream. When this process works better, you lower your risk of type 2 diabetes and can manage weight more effectively. Another cool thing? Intermittent fasting triggers something called autophagy. Think of it as your body's housekeeping service. It cleans out damaged cells, leaving you feeling refreshed from the inside out. Pretty fascinating, right? Now, let's move on to number 2, the best intermittent fasting schedules. Alright, here's number 2, the best fasting schedules. The beauty of intermittent fasting is how flexible it is. You get to choose what works best for you. Let me walk you through 3 popular methods. First, there's the 16-8 method. This one's a favorite for beginners. You fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window. For example, you could skip breakfast, eat your first meal at noon, and finish dinner by 8 p.m. Simple, right? Second, we have the 5-2 method. With this schedule, you eat normally for 5 days of the week and limit yourself to about 500 to 600 calories on the other 2 days. It's great if you prefer more flexibility. Third, there's the 24-hour fast, also known as the eat-stop-eat method. Here you fast for a full 24 hours once or twice a week. For example, you might finish dinner at 7 p.m. and then fast until 7 p.m. the next day. If you're just starting out, try easing into it with a 12-hour fast, like from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m., and work your way up. Remember, the goal is sustainability, so find a rhythm that feels right for you. Now let's talk about number 3, the benefits of intermittent fasting. It's the part we've all been waiting for, the benefits of intermittent fasting. First, intermittent fasting is a fantastic tool for weight loss and fat burning. By shifting into fat-burning mode during fasting, you can shed excess pounds more effectively. Second, it's great for your brain health. Fasting boosts the production of something called BDNF, a protein that supports brain function, learning, and memory. It's like giving your brain a workout. Third, fasting improves your metabolism. It balances hormones that control hunger and energy use while improving insulin sensitivity. Fourth, it reduces inflammation, which is linked to chronic diseases like heart disease and arthritis. Fasting gives your body a chance to reset and heal. And finally, studies suggest fasting may even promote longevity. While more research is needed in humans, early evidence shows it could help you live a longer, healthier life. So, there you have it. We covered number 1, the science behind intermittent fasting, number 2, the best schedules to try, and number 3, the incredible benefits. If this inspired you, why not give intermittent fasting a shot? Start with a schedule that feels manageable, stay consistent, and don't forget to drink plenty of water. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and hit that subscribe button for more practical health and wellness tips. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Here's to your journey toward a healthier, happier you.